Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02329 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Okay, so here you can see I have created one type called empobj as object. Next I am creating the table employee with the type employee object as a primary key. Okay, so ORA-02329 column of data type ADT cannot be unique or primary key. So what is the problem here is you cannot create a primary key for the object in the table. So better change the column. So I am modifying the employee number column to be a primary key and created the table called employee. Now it is fixed.